Hello everybody, this is your English teacher, Stryker Disco. I'm delighted to join you again. Today, we will learn how to make our English sound better, and you will learn words that can be used in place of simpler words. Bonjour à tous, c'est votre professeur d'anglais, Stryker Disco. Je suis ravi de me rejoindre à nouveau. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre des mots qui peuvent être utilisés à la place des mots plus simples. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à la chaîne et de la partager avec tous vos amis. Restez ici et je reviens de retour. Okay guys, now I'm back to you. As you can notice on the board, instead of using very in English, for example, very good can be replaced with our some or super to make your English sound more evolved. Par exemple, very good peut être remplacé par awesome or superb pour rendre votre son plus évolué. Now, let's get the ball rolling. The first one is very angry. Very angry. The meaning in French is très en colère. Très en colère. Si tu ne peux pas dire very angry, you can say furious. Furious. The meaning of furious is furieux. For example, I can say I was furious at him for copying my answer. I was furious at him for copying my answer. J'étais furieux contre lui pour avoir copié ma réponse. After, we have very bad. Very bad. Now, if you don't want to say very bad, si tu ne peux pas dire very bad, you can say atrocious. Atrocious. Atrocious means atroce. Atroce. For example, we can say he attempted an atrocious imitation of my English accent. Let me say it again for you. He attempted an atrocious imitation of my English accent. Il a tenté une imitation atroce de mon accent d'anglais. Thirdly, we have very tired. Very tired. I really see that you often use this one. When you come from Turek, you always say, I am very tired. I am very tired. But in this video, I'm going to help you stop saying very tired. If you don't want to say very tired, you can say exhausted. Exhausted. The meaning of very tired is très fatigué. Très fatigué. Exhausted. Épuisé. The meaning in French, épuisé. For example, I can say, I was exhausted after the marathon. J'étais épuisé après le marathon. After, we have very tasty. Si tu ne peux pas dire very tasty, you can say delicious. Very tasty means très savoureux. Très savoureux. Delicious means délicieux. For example, I can say, your mom cooks delicious food. Ta mère cuisine de la nourriture délicieuse. After, we have very painful. Very painful means très douloureux. Très douloureux. If you don't want to say very painful, si tu ne peux pas dire very painful, on peut dire excruciating. Excruciating. For example, I had excruciating pain in my ankle after the injury. J'ai eu une douleur atroce à la cheville après la blessure. The next one is very clever. Very clever means très intelligent. If you don't want to say very clever, you can say brilliant. Brilliant. For example, I can say, look at his grades. This boy is brilliant. Regarde ce note. Ce garçon est brillant. After we have very weak. Very weak means très faible. Très faible. Now, if you don't want to say very weak, you can say feeble. Feeble means faible or débile. I can say, after a month-long illness, he was too feeble to leave his room. Après un mois de maladie, il était trop faible pour quitter sa chambre. After, the next one is very pretty. Very pretty. Si tu ne peux pas dire very pretty, you can say gorgeous. Gorgeous. Very pretty means très belle. Gorgeous means magnifique. For example, you can say, she looked gorgeous in that white dress. Elle était magnifique dans cette robe blanche. Okay guys, that's all for today. Today you are learning stop saying very in English. You are learning 10 words you often use very, but this video will help you don't use very again. This is your teacher. It was a nice moment in this video. Please share it to all your friends and then subscribe for more interesting video. Goodbye. See you next for another videos.